So good to go. Let's go look at these other two real quick. So we'll start with just putting the battery in and kind of seeing where we're at with it. Because it's been so long now, I don't remember. So I don't hear anything with that one. See if we can clean these threads up, or terminals up. So there's a, I don't know whether you can see it or not. There's a bunch of debris down in there, and there's some kind of filament or something, probably some kind of resistor. I'm thinking maybe it's shorting out on that, and that's why it's not working. So let's go figure that out real quick. There we go. So I'm assuming whatever that mechanism is, whenever those magnets run over it, I'm assuming those are just stuck. And so whenever I'm using a stronger magnet, it unsticks it in. So it seems to be working now. Alright, I don't know how much that recorded or not, but so stripped out this nut, and I don't know if you could hear it, but whenever I was taking it off, I kind of knew it was stripped. Tried to put it back on to no avail. Now this is stainless steel. I don't have a stainless steel nut. You really should use a stainless steel nut, and on top of that, it's got the nylon lock washer on there. I don't have one of those either. So I tapped this for a 1224. I don't suspect I'll be getting back into this. I think if it breaks, most likely it'll be done for. But we'll put some blue Loctite on it. Just to make sure we didn't mess nothing up. Alright. So we got that going. Alrighty. Let's get that last one. I think the last one works. I just thought it was a little bit loud, but listening to all of these, they had that gear one in it, so I think it'll be fine.